Alright, this is what you should have when you get the rear wheel. Excuse me. You got little clips under here that you can open up to get your wire loose, and you got enough slack to put your taillight and everything assembly up there. These little pegs are what it slides on. See those little pegs there? Take these two bolt holes out and you slide it in off of those pegs, and the whole assembly comes out, and those are those little clips right there. Don't forget to put them back when you're done. Just take your caliper off, tie it off up here to your shock, get it out of the way, pull the pads off, and the pads, they just sit in here like this. And there. You got your rotor, one on each side. And these little spacers, this is what you have when you pull that off. The little spacers, they slide right on there like that. And this is that wire clip I was having issues with before, and it's got a couple little holes back here it goes in. And that's what holds your brake pad on, so it doesn't flop off. And then you have your wheel and your rotor. You have to pull the rotor, pull the drive pulley, and wait for the new wheel to come.